at the security our security office.
We will be having KRA offices. We will be having 90% complete on site. So they get
government is looking into all these possibilities, and we will be having that conversation later, so that the airport that is here, the railway that is here, the road connectivity to the East African region that is here, the facilitative environment created by government, all business facilitative agencies like KEBS, KRA are all headquartered here.
We want to provide opportunities, especially business opportunities for investors in our city. Na EBZ itakuwa ni jengo moja ya kusaidia sisi pia kutafuta wageni waizani ili watusaidie tutafute nafasi ya kazi kwa vijana wetu.
Katika Kenya yote tulikuwa tunajenga county aggregation and industrial parks 18. Kwa sasa tumefanya priority na also ku ranking na Uasin Gishu iko mbele kabisa.